Everyone, as promised yesterday, today I have come up with the topic securitization and how does it help to the financial markets and the economy as a whole. So without any further delay, let's see what is securitization. Securitization is a financial concept, and it is a process where the bank's assets, which are loans, are clubbed together, like any accounts receivable, auto loans, then mortgages. They are clubbed together to form a financial instrument, which further is issued to investor, and investor in turn receive interest. Okay, so this is the securitization process. Now we will see how does it help to the financial market and the economy as whole. Okay, so first thing, because this financial instrument in the securitization process are are traded in the market, so it brings a high amount of liquidity into the market. That is first thing. And the second thing is that this financial instrument gives a greater claim to the investor than the general claim in other cases. Okay, and the third thing is that because of this securitization process, the banks that issues this instrument doesn't sit with those particular loans which it had earlier. Rather, it enhances its loan base because it infuses capital by raising this by issuing these instruments. Okay, so it further enhances its customer base. So fourth thing is that in this because this is a advanced financial innovation, the securitization process. So here the investor gets its preferred match of maturity of the bank assets, and risk profiling of the financial assets. And yes, it is like whatever, if suppose any investor is interested in long term investment. Okay, rather than taking or investing in short term assets like any bank deposit and things like that, it will rather invest in longer term any mortgage loan, and with a greater return at the same time. So it gives him a choice of his investment criteria. Okay, and next thing is that because the financial instrument provides a pool of bank assets, so the risk diversification, the diversification is the of the risk is it will be done in a better way as compared to others. So this is how the securitization process helps to the economy and to the financial markets. Thank you very much, and in the next session we are going to see how does in practical day to day life, we can say how the securitization process actually takes place in market, and by taking suitable example we will see to it in detail. Thank you very much.